Cooking is no joke. It's a great way to save money and feed your family a healthy meal, but it can be overwhelming sometimes, especially if it's not your favorite. And let's be honest, nobody just loves cooking 100% of the time, all the time. But want to know what makes your time in the kitchen 1,000 times better? These nifty cooking hacks are about to knock your socks off. They'll make things go faster, taste better, and make your time spent cooking so much easier. In this video, we will be looking into cooking hacks that will make life way easier. Before we get started, be sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and turn on post notifications so you don't miss out on new videos. 1. Create herb-infused meals easily. Freeze a fresh herb mixture in olive oil to enhance your meal's flavor. If you're the type of person who likes to add fresh herbs to meals, you can stock up on fresh herbs easily. All you have to do is chop them, put them in an ice cube tray, cover them in olive oil, and freeze them. And the next time you're whipping up something yummy in your pot or pan, just drop a cube in and allow the flavor to work its magic. 2. Use an ice cream scoop to form meatballs. Getting ready to create delicious spheres of spaghetti and meatballs. You may have run into the issue of making all of the meatballs uniforms. Other times, handmade meatballs may look large when they're formed in your hands and quickly shrink or crumble once they're cooked. It's also pretty gross to get ground meat all over your hands. An easy way to resolve this issue is by using a small ice cream scoop. This helps to keep your hands clean, but it also ensures that every single meatball is the same size. 3. Let hard-boiled eggs sit in the fridge for a few days. We all can agree that boiled eggs are many times notoriously difficult to peel, but this only applies to the freshly boiled variety. If you want them to peel easily, it's best to allow them to rest for several days in the fridge. Week-old eggs are perfectly good to eat, and more importantly, they're incredibly easy to peel. So next time you want to have an easy hard-boiled egg peeling session, make sure you buy eggs well in advance and let them sit in the fridge for a while before boiling them. 4. Make scrambled eggs in the microwave. Grab a mug and spritz it with non-stick spray. Crack a couple of eggs inside. Top with a splash of milk or water. Sprinkle with some salt and pepper. Then stir with a fork to combine. Microwave at 30-second intervals, stirring after each, for a total of 90 seconds, and a 12 grams of protein-strong breakfast is served. 5. Give bananas a longer life. Keep bananas fresh for longer by wrapping the end of the bunch with plastic wrap. Better yet, separate each banana. Both tactics block ethylene gases from releasing out of the stem, thereby ripening the fruit too fast. 6. Fill the ice cube tray with coffee for full-powered iced java. Stop diluting your energy boost with standard ice cubes. Instead, freeze an ice cube tray filled with your favorite coffee blend so you can cool down your drink without watering down the taste. And it's a wrap, guys. Thanks for sticking with us till the end of the video. If you know other cooking hacks that will make life way easier, don't hesitate to share them with us in the comments section.